Hey guys, welcome to the channel, or welcome back if you have been here before. I'm glad to have you today. We are going to just do a whole bunch of laundry and dishes because that's what I need to get caught up on for house chores today. So in a minute, you're going to see me in my comfies this morning getting the dishes done. I've been putting them off because I wanted to film it. I felt like I needed to be made up and stuff to do it, and I was like, that's not life. Normally I'm just makeup free and in my comfy clothes, so that's how you're gonna see me this morning. I had to get it done and also had to do the laundry. It was just time to do the bedding and a load of wipes too. So me and Henry are going to leave you here, and I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. Good morning from my filthy, disgusting kitchen sink. I needed a second cup of coffee to get started. This is not how my house normally looks. However, the last couple days, this is just piled up. I cook at least 2 meals a day for us, sometimes 3, for at least one of us. And I was gonna do this yesterday, and I was like, I don't feel like putting makeup on and getting fixed up, and I felt like I needed to get fixed up in order to record this, and that's not real life. So this is going to be real life. I've got to get this done. Yeah, so I'm just gonna set you up somewhere. I have 0 makeup on. I still have like comfy clothes on for the day, but I've got to get these dishes tackled. I've got to unload the dishwasher. Some of those dishes over there are clean, so I need to put those away too, and then I need to reload the dishwasher and hand wash what needs to be hand washed. So I also have dishes over here. I'm just going to set you up somewhere and we will time lapse this, and I'll either do voiceover or I will set some music to it. But let's get this kitchen tackled. With for either hand washing, or I might have to do a second load in the dishwasher. And then I'm going to scrub the sink first. Our sink is original to the house. The house was built in the 40s. It needs to be sandblasted and like powder coated or something, because but I can assure you I keep it clean, other than obviously now when it's dirty. What I'm saying is I clean it very thoroughly when I clean it. If you guys know of any other way to repair this, we've done the tub and tile kit a couple times, but that's just not made to withstand sinkfuls of dishes and stuff like that. So it's meant for tubs where nothing like that happens. Anyway, I'm going to scrub the sink, and then I will hand wash what I can, and then I'll start the dishwasher, and we'll be done. Counters were clean after supper last night, but I'm going to go ahead and use this method daily wood cleaner. I really love this stuff, and then I'm going to follow it up with this method wood polish. I did these countertops. Greg did the cutting and installing, but I did I'm sure he helped too. Put some of the coats of water locks on is what we use to seal them. We stained them first, obviously, and then we did this coating called water locks. I found it on Pinterest. Someone had done it. 12 out of 10, do not recommend. It's sticky after time. Like it's just, the sealer gets sticky. So there's, like, this is clean. This is glitter from like Christmas cards, because I put our Christmas cards up on the cabinets every year. It's glitter just in the counters. And you can see like scratch marks and stuff. I wouldn't recommend it. We've had them in for probably, gosh, I don't know, 7 years or so. So I mean, and like I said, I use the kitchen a lot, but still. Anyway, I'm gonna get to cleaning the counters, polishing the counters. Dishes air dry for a little while, and then I just have those plates in that bowl to put in the next load of dishes. I just feel I'll probably even put that coffee cup in the dishwasher, even though I hand washed it. I'm just kind of, I like to know my stuff is like clean, and then I'll also put the head for that scrub brush in the dishwasher to sanitize it. But that is all for now. Once the sink is completely empty, you saw me scrub it out, but I'll scrub it again to get any residual grease or whatever out, and then I will sanitize it and disinfect it with Lysol, and I'll also run the disposal with the disposal cleaner in it. So yeah, I also microwave our sponge. Almost every single time we use it, I'll microwave it. Just make sure it's really saturated, and then put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. I put it in the dishwasher, but it doesn't get dry in the dishwasher, so it grosses me out. You can use it you can do that in the dishwasher. I just prefer the microwave. Anywho, I'm gonna do a whole bunch of laundry today, so you'll probably see that. I've had the same load in the dryer for like 2 days, and we fluffed it twice, haven't we, Hen? Yeah. So we'll do that today. for me and Henry today. We're going to finish making the bed. I will insert that. That will be like the closing thing for the video, a little montage for that. And then Henry is so tired. He's been doing so much work today. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you like these kind of videos where we just do chores around the house, I will be sure to sprinkle those in every once in a while. I enjoy doing them. It's also a motivator for me to get stuff done. So I will talk to you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your family and friends.